What's up, Chicken and Record Squad? We are at the gun range learning how to shoot a gun. I will let y'all know my experience. I am kind of nervous because I shot a gun one time and I cried. So, but I didn't think we was going to actually shoot a gun today. But we shooting a gun today. So, I will let y'all know how my experience was once I get down back at this little pen. Hold on. Gun rights or women rights? So I'm gonna pin that on me. Got a little information. So I'm excited. So very all women was free. So I'm excited to see all these women out here learning about gun safety. Alright y'all, this is my target. This right here I kind of got scared, but I did good. And y'all, I got a little baby on my so I don't know if y'all can see it, but my little meat came off. Hold on. I was right here. It hurt. But I'm waiting for my friend to come out. I feel confident. I feel okay. I'm not as scared as I was coming in. I shot the gun 10 times, so. And I didn't cry. That's a good thing. I didn't cry. But I'll be back once my friend come out. But they got like a lot of little vendors. Let's go walk around right quick. They got a lot of little vendors in here. Yeah. I gotta go wash my hands though. So I'm about to go wash my hands after I shot the gun. So I'm gonna be back after I wash my hands. Thank you for all you do for us. I appreciate it. No problem. I really appreciate it. It gave me the confidence that I needed to come back. Okay.
And the shoes so now. I don't even want to get into them. My mama. I heard they had Stella Rose that was $9.
What?
He was holding on to it. He was holding on. It was a big bottle. It was that bottle, but the color.
It's like $40. Oh, you didn't get the dark, you got the light.
Don't put it too close to the end. You don't want to.
Silver, and the other one is a respirator.
This is for the non-alcoholics.
Oh my God.
Non-alcoholic wine.
But they still. Ooh, I can't wait to crack it because I'm good.
Y'all look at my brother got me.
That's Stella Rosa.
All right, y'all. So I'm at the movies. Right there, about to go see The Talk. That's what it's called, The Talk. About to go see The Talk with my brothers.
Fake scat pack. Look at how loaded
So, as I'm walking to the movies, I'm gonna let y'all know about my shooting range. Let me see. Where is it? Right here. It's kind of healing. If the what's that called? The damn oh my gosh, what is it called, y'all? The shell, whatever it's called. If the shell is that hot, I am scared to feel like what a bullet it is. Like how hot a bullet feel, because like that is no freaking joke, y'all. Like my skin was literally burning. But I faced my fear. I shot 10 rounds. Look at my brothers. Oh, my brother. And Mark, he's not my brother, but y'all get the gist. So, yeah. So, me and my friend, we had a very, very good time. We're gonna actually go take our CPL license. This is a message to any ladies out there. If you guys are scared of guns or you don't want to shoot a gun or just do it for safety reasons, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to go and get a gun right away. Just go get something to learn how to protect yourself, just in case in the need that you do need to protect yourself for the gun. You know how to properly use it, so that way you're not hurting. So that way you're not hurting yourself or anyone else, but the person that you need to hurt. And it was very informational. So that's my intake on it. I'm going to keep going to gun ranges to get better. But yeah, so I'm about to give me some popcorn with some cheese. But we inside the movies. I'll let y'all know how the movies is. I'm not gonna end it here, but I'll show y'all. Then we gotta go ahead and get the tickets. But alright.
Alright, y'all, so this is the next day. I didn't end the video yesterday after I left the movies. So, I'm at Myers shopping right now. I'm gonna make some nachos for tonight. Some nachos. I'm gonna get some bread right quick. But, so the movie I went to go see was Talk to Me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was kind of scared. Just a little bit scared. Just a little bit. I was covering my faces on some scenes. But some scenes was crazy. That's like, what? I hate when these dates be faded out. Dates by 8:13, okay. Like, why is the date so faded out? But I have my face covered on some stuff, but not not too much. Excuse me. But overall, it was a very, very good movie. Hopefully they make a part 2, but the way it ended, it seems like they're going to make a part 2. So that's exciting. But, yeah, so I'm going to get back on here. And let y'all know that little 1-2 deal. Making some tacos. And I just need some cheese. But yeah, I've been feeling so good. My baby has been moving tremendously. Like, she is non-stop moving. Non-stop moving. This is Wednesday. I'll be 21 weeks. That'll be my last week. And me being 5 months. Your girl be the big 6 months. Don't play with us. We growing, baby. Okay, they don't have like the regular flaming hot Doritos. They only got these. The blue kind. I like the red bag. I mean, I used to like the blue bag, but then the red bag tastes a little bit better to me. Alright, whatever. So we go get those. Yeah, Auntie Annie's is smelling too freaking good. I'm gonna grab me some Auntie Annie's on the way out. But let's go get some taco sauce. We'll get some taco sauce and season. And that's about it. Yeah, let's get this taco seasoning going. Oh, they don't got the hot. Wow. Oh, yes, they do. So I'm gonna get one hot. Hold on, this is the seasoning I use. We gotta get some hot. And I'm gonna get, not medium. I'm looking for like mild. But they don't have mild, so I'm gonna get some medium sauce. Excuse me. price here. Look at Chipotle. Yes, this is so good on y'all tacos. Y'all go to Taco Bell, y'all know. We're gonna get that. I think they threw it in jalapenos. But it's okay, because I don't need that much hot stuff. So now I'm about to go get some. We got the seasoning, got the taco sauce. Because y'all, my power had went out. So devastating. It was like literally all bad. But hopefully, you know, it don't go out again. So I'm gonna go this way. I gotta go like really go grocery shopping once, you know. This week I go grocery shopping for real. Oops. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post and drop a video. But I'm about to end it right here and finish shopping. See you guys in the next clip. Peace.